I'm Wanda Klomp. So when do you cut the tail? The tail you will cut when you think it is too thick or when it is too long. Look, it nearly touches the floor, and then it can happen that he trips over his own tail or that it hangs in its excrement. That is not convenient. So how do you cut a tail? The most important thing is that you keep the tail nice and full. First you feel where the tailbone is. Then you blend the underside nice and round, like this. Then you hold the tail by the tailbone. Not every dog likes it when you touch its tail. That's very intimate. So then you comb the underside, and what you do is you cut it like a half moon or a sickle shape, away from the anus towards the end of the tail. Around the anus it needs to be short because otherwise excrement will stick to it, and here it must be short as well. So you take off a little line like this, and that's what you do from both sides because the hair on the tail falls differently at both sides. Right, let's do this side as well, the hair side. Short around the anus. Now it's nicely shaped again. Let's see if the tail is even all the way around. Very nice, and here by the butt, just short. Just a small tangle. Like this. When you have a tail that is very fluffy, you can remove some of the fluff in this way. When you have a tail that goes over the back like a curly tail, which is not the case with him, then you make sure that it is always a nice little pompon. So you blend it nice and round, with every shape, so whichever way he wears it, always a nice little pompon on the back. Well, that's the tail, which now is nice again, healthy.